Welcome to Wednesday's Financial News Review, presented by CENTFX, a multi-award winning Forex broker. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest financial news.
Intel stock fell 6.6% to $96.69 on Tuesday, as investors took profits after its recent rally and worries about slowing semiconductor demand weighed on sentiment. In regular trading on Tuesday, the Dow Jones fell 0.2%, the S&P 500 declined 0.7%, and the Nasdaq Composite plunged 1.3%, as AI-linked chipmakers suffered steep losses. Crude oil climbed toward $86 per barrel on Wednesday, as the U.S. and Iran showed little indication of reaching an agreement to end the conflict and reopen the Strait of Hormuz. The Canadian dollar strengthened to 1.39 per USD, as narrowing yield spreads, supported by domestic factory data, reduced the gap between U.S. and Canadian bonds. Bitcoin traded around $64,300 on Wednesday, as ETF inflows supported demand while uncertainty over Federal Reserve policy kept the market range-bound. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 6 a.m., the annual inflation rate in the UK is expected to increase, after reaching 2.6% in June. At 2:30 p.m., the U.S. to release the crude oil stock change for August 14th, following over 17 million barrels in the week ended August 7th. At 11:50 p.m., Japan will release figures for the balance of trade of July, following a trade deficit of 407 billion Japanese yen in June.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by CENTFX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.